Hey snack lovers and welcome to the channel. And ngayon, we are doing something very special again. And that is diving into snack attack. So ayan nga guys, in today's video, we're going to do something special which is diving into snack attack with Oishi. You know, Oishi brings some of the best munchies to the table. And today, we're gonna try their most popular snacks. So let's get started. So first up, meron tayong Oishi prawn crackers. Okay, so this has sweet and extra hot flavor. Ayan, so may naninipa naman guys, ang sabi dito. So, it also has only natural shrimps. Okay. So, ayan. Sa amoy pa lang guys. Lasang shrimp na. So, sige, tara, tikman natin. Wow! It's right off the bat. You get the savory flavor with a nice light crunch. So yung taste niya guys, it's not too overpowering. It's just the perfect balance of flavor. So definitely this is a solid start to do the snack attack. Alright, so moving on to the next treat, we have onion ring. Okay, so onion ring guys, this is a snack with real onions. Ayun guys, sa packaging pa lang, onion na. But let's try it kung totoo nga lasang onion siya. Sa amoy pa lang guys, parang amoy onion nga. Pero tikman natin if totoo nga na lasang onion siya. Well, these are great guys. Well, ang sarap guys. It has a delightful combination of onion savory, crispy, and at the same time, slightly sweet siya. It's like you're eating onion without crying. I think i-add ko siya sa aking favorite snack. Okay, so next meron tayong cheese on chips. Ayan. So look at the cheese guys. Goodness, I'm already excited. Tinitingnan ko pa lang yung packaging niya guys. I'm so excited to taste it na. So cheese on chips is a cheese flavors and it's also a corn snack. So, tara, let's try kung ano yung lasa niya. Kung cheesy nga. ngayon, tikman naman natin ang cheese on chips, guys. Mm. 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 Okay, so it's dangerously good, guys. Masarap din. Mm. So it's cheesy, guys, but not overwhelming. It has perfect crunch, and you get the burst flavor right away. Mm. I love it. Mm. So I can already tell these are going to my go-to snack, guys. Ang sarap. So eto naman, guys, yung next natin i-try, which is potato fries. So sa packaging niya pa lang, guys, parang legit na parang fries siya. But then let's try kung lasang fries nga. So this is a ready-to-eat potato fry snack with the cheese flavor. Okay, so buksan natin. And let's try kung ano, legit na fries nga siya. Yan. So, tikman natin. Okay. This is wow. They really taste like fries. So, kuhang-kuha talaga yung lasa ng saltiness, yung crispy texture, and yung flavor ng fries ay naspatan mo talaga. Malalasahan talaga. So, it's like eating fries without feeling the grease. So, I'm really here for it. So there you go, folks. From crispy prawn crackers to cheesy chips and even fries and rings. So what snacks was your favorite? So don't forget to thumbs up this video if you love the Snack Attack vlog. And until then, see you for more tasty treats. Keep snacking. Bye!
Again, this is Sasuka, not an expert, but just want to share.